you ever felt the crushing disappointment of a car that won't stop breaking down? You're not alone. Across the decades, certain vehicles have gained infamy for their persistent unreliability. From luxury SUVs to quirky three-wheelers, let's take a look at the most unreliable cars ever made, backed by facts and figures. 1. Range Rovers, the unreliability legends. It's no surprise that the Range Rover tops this list. Known for its luxurious appeal and off-road prowess, this vehicle has also garnered a notorious reputation for reliability issues. According to Warranty Wise, a UK-based warranty provider, Range Rovers consistently rank as the most unreliable used cars. Frequent air suspension failures, engine troubles, and electrical glitches plague these vehicles, even affecting new owners. One unfortunate soul lamented on Reddit about the constant repairs required for their Range Rover, illustrating a widespread issue that seems to persist across various models, including the Range Rover Sport and the Vogue Signature. Range Rovers are known for their sophisticated air suspension systems, which provide a smooth ride and excellent off-road capability. However, these systems are also a common point of failure, often requiring expensive repairs. Electrical issues are another common complaint among Range Rover owners. Problems with the infotainment system, faulty sensors, and dashboard warning lights can be both annoying and challenging to diagnose. 2. Nissan Altima, pre-2016. The CVT catastrophe. The pre-2016 Nissan Altima is infamous for its problematic CVT, continuously variable transmission. Imagine driving your Altima, only for it to start jerking violently. That's your transmission deciding it has had enough. These CVTs were notorious for premature failure, leaving many drivers stranded. The Altima, along with its siblings, the Nissan Versa and Sentra, shared this fate. While improvements were made post-2016, the damage to the Altima's reputation was already done. 3. Reliant Robin, the three-wheeled menace. The Reliant Robin, a three-wheeled car produced from 1973, became somewhat of a cultural icon in Britain, partly due to its tax advantages. However, its fiberglass body and unstable design made it highly unreliable and prone to tipping over. Jeremy Clarkson of Top Gear famously demonstrated its tendency to roll over, highlighting its fundamental design flaw. Despite selling 60,000 units, the Robin remains a cautionary tale of automotive design gone wrong. 4. Honda Odyssey, a minivan misstep. Even the reliable Honda brand has had its missteps. The Honda Odyssey minivan, featured in the movie Deadpool, suffered from numerous issues, including electrical problems, faulty brake pads, and transmission failures. These problems persisted until Honda addressed them in the 2020 model. But for many, the damage was already done, casting a long shadow over what should have been a reliable family vehicle. 5. Mazda RX-8, the rotary engine's downfall. The Mazda RX-8, with its rotary engine, is beloved by enthusiasts but notorious for its reliability issues. Poor fuel economy, high oil consumption, and frequent engine failures marred this car's reputation. Reports indicate that up to half of the RX-8's produced required engine replacements by 50,000 miles. Despite its flaws, the RX-8 remains a favorite among car enthusiasts, illustrating the complex relationship between passion and practicality. Rotary engine. The RX-8 is powered by a Wankel rotary engine, which sets it apart from most other cars. This engine design is compact and lightweight, allowing for a high-revving, smooth power delivery. Sporty design. With its sleek lines, rear-hinged suicide doors, and aggressive stance, the RX-8 is undeniably stylish and sporty. Performance. The rotary engine enables the RX-8 to achieve impressive performance figures, with some models capable of producing up to 232 horsepower and revving up to 9,000 RPM. 6. Renault Avantime, the luxury hatchback failure. France is known for its culinary delights and stylish cars, but the Renault Avantime was neither reliable nor a sales success. Combining the design of a luxury sedan with a hatchback, the Avantime was quirky but plagued with electrical issues. Despite being comfortable, its unique design and poor reliability led to its quick demise, making it a financial disaster for Renault. 7. Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid, the recall king. The Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid earned a dismal 14 out of 100 reliability score from Consumer Reports. While it boasted zero recalls on paper, real-world performance was plagued by powertrain, braking, and electronic issues. This minivan's unreliability makes it one of the most disappointing vehicles for families seeking dependable transportation. 8. Mercedes-AMG GT, the unreliable supercar. Performance cars are often seen as more temperamental, but the AMG GT takes the cake for being the least reliable supercar. Despite its impressive specs, the AMG GT suffers from build quality issues, including misaligned body panels, laggy software, and corrosion. Even newer models have been reported to have these problems, tarnishing the reputation of an otherwise stellar car. 9. McLaren 720S, high performance, low reliability. The McLaren 720S is known for its incredible performance, but it also has its share of reliability issues. While it breaks down more often than Ferrari and Lamborghini, its main flaw lies in poor build quality. Issues such as panel gaps, software glitches, and corrosion are common, even in models with low mileage. For a car that costs as much as a house, these issues are unacceptable. Powerful engine. The 720S is powered by a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine, producing an impressive 710 horsepower and 568 pound-feet of torque. Speed. It can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.7 seconds and has a top speed of 212 miles per hour. Lightweight construction. The car's carbon fiber monocoque chassis contributes to its lightweight design, enhancing performance and handling. Aerodynamics. Advanced aerodynamics, including active rear spoiler and air intakes, provide incredible downforce and stability at high speeds. The McLaren 720S is a high-performance supercar that offers thrilling speed and handling, but it also comes with significant reliability concerns. Prospective buyers should weigh the excitement of owning such a powerful machine against the potential for frequent and costly repairs. For those who are willing to endure these challenges, the 720S offers a driving experience that is hard to match. 10. Yugo, the worst car ever made. Finally, we travel to Yugoslavia to meet the Zastava Yugo, often considered the worst car ever made. Its unreliability was legendary, with reports of it breaking down frequently and being prone to rust. Despite this, 60,000 units were sold, often as a budget option for car buyers. The Yugo's legacy lives on as a symbol of what happens when cost-cutting goes too far. The most unreliable cars ever made serve as a reminder that not all vehicles are created equal. From luxury brands like Range Rover and Mercedes to everyday vehicles like the Nissan Altima and Honda Odyssey, even the best manufacturers can get it wrong. As consumers, it's essential to do thorough research and consider not just the initial appeal, but the long-term reliability of a vehicle. In the end, while some of these cars have left a scar on their brand's reputation, they also offer valuable lessons in engineering, design, and customer satisfaction. Whether you're a car enthusiast or just someone in the market for a reliable vehicle, the stories of these unreliable cars are both cautionary tales and fascinating insights into the world of automotive manufacturing. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.